Lawmakers in the House have just passed a Republican plan to bring down the cost of health care without extending subsidies for Obamacare. While in a separate vote, 4 Republicans joined Democrats to force another vote on these subsidies. Our Washington correspondent Luis Eduardo Martinez has the details.
Now, just for the public knows, when there's a discharge petition and you get 218 votes, which is the majority of the House Democrats, then the bill comes to the floor. We want no obstacles. We want action.
4 Republicans signed on to House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries' discharge petition to force a vote on a bill that would extend for 3 years the COVID-era Obamacare healthcare subsidies.
Even some Republicans agree that action is urgent. All of the speaker's refusal to allow a vote on extending these subsidies idiotic and political malpractice as premiums are poised to rise.
I think these are obviously Republicans who are in swing districts that may be threatened in the midterm election. My prediction is with a sufficient number of Republicans signing on to this that it would pass the House. I don't think the fate in the Senate will be very good, however.
This is the second discharge petition that has been successful in forcing House Republican leadership to put a bill for a vote on the House floor. The other bill that was successful was the bill to release the Epstein files.
I have not lost control. Because there are look, we have the smallest majority in U.S. history. These are not normal times. There are processes and procedures in the House that are less frequently used when there are larger majorities and when you have the luxury of having 10 or 15 people who disagree on something.
Also today, the House Judiciary Committee deposed former special counsel Jack Smith. Republicans grilled Smith behind closed doors over the intercepted phone records of 8 Republican lawmakers and the questioned probable cause for the raid on Mar-a-Lago in 2022.
In today testifying before this committee, Jack is showing tremendous courage in light of the remarkable and unprecedented retribution campaign against him by this administration and this White House.
The House passed today the Republican proposal to tackle health care. The bill would lower premiums and provide subsidies for low-income families for out-of-pocket health care expenses. The bill is expected to face opposition in the Senate without Democratic support. Also today, the Senate passed the 2026 National Defense Authorization Act, a $900 billion bill that now heads to the president's desk for signing. Reporting from Washington, D.C., Luis Eduardo Martinez, NTD News.